We are here in Manicaland today to launch a provincial war against January disease. January disease is a tick-borne disease caused by brown ear ticks. The declaration of the war was done on the 25th of January this year, and the national launch against the disease was done on the 8th of February in Marsh West, Kadoma. This is the second provincial launch we are having here today in Manicaland at Mupudzi Deep Tank in Mutare district. Government, having realized the losses that farmers were experiencing in terms of tick-borne diseases, has done a lot of activities to curb the spread as well as the number of cattle dying from the disease.
This year particularly, the drought situation for Makoni, it received rainfall later in the later part of November or the first part of mid-December. So that water challenge, it persisted, and that's why we are having cases 3 or 4 weeks later. And then when the rain fell and there's water for dipping, then there was excessive rain, and cattle could also not dip, because when it is raining, we actually don't dip. That's why we are having more cases in Makoni than any other district at the moment. Last season we had around 300 cases in the whole province, but this year, because of the consistent dipping and due to the availability of dip chemicals, we have managed to reduce the cases to almost half of what we had in the previous season.